Now we will see safety at home. Okay, many of the times there are the many kinds of accident happens at home also. So what kind of safety we should follow at home? Okay, let's see. Don't play with the matchstick. Okay, matchstick is there and you should not play with that. It can be causes of burning. Okay, it can burn your hand or your clothes or anything. So you should not play with the matchstick. Then second thing, do not play with electric switches or appliances. Nowadays you can see there are many kinds of electric appliances, gadgets or switches are there at our home. So the small children, you should not touch to this or you should not play with this all the appliances or switches. Okay, you will get the shock because of this kind of appliances or switches causes for injuries or it can be harm to you. Then next thing, do not handle sharp object on your own. Okay, so there are the many activities you people are doing, like as a craft activity or any another activities at our home. So that time you need to use the sharp objects like as a pin, scissor, cutter, knife. So while using these all kinds of the sharp objects, you must take the help of your parents, or you should use this sharp object under the guidance of your parents. You should not handle this sharp object on your own. Okay, so avoid using the sharp object own. So whenever you are using under the observation of your parents, you must use this under the observation of your parent. You should use these sharp objects. Next thing, do not play or run on stairs. Okay, see, generally whenever we are free in the school, at our home or somewhere, when we are playing with someone, so we have habit of running here and there in the corridor, on the stairs, okay, or at the wet place or wet floor we can say. Okay, so at this time what it is possibility that you will slip or you will fall down on this stairs or the corridor, or we can say wet place. So to avoid this, we should not play or run on stairs. The next safety habit that you should follow at our home, that do not slide down the railing. Then do not lean from terrace. And then next one, do not leave your toys or things on the floor. Okay, so avoid this sliding over the railing. That is also the one more important habit or safety measure you should take at your home. Okay, many of the children are having habit to slide over the railings, okay, while going down from the terrace, okay, or using the stairs. That time you should not do this kind of thing. Then next one, do not lean from terrace. Okay, so whenever you are going on a terrace for any kind of work, so you should not lean from the terrace. This is also the one more important thing. Then do not leave your toys or other things on the floor. If you will leave your toys and other things on the floor, so there is a possibility that your leg will come over them, and while walking or while going here and there, that all the toys and the things will come inside your way, and possibility that you will get injured or your leg will get injured or you will fall down because of these toys and other things. So whenever you finish your playing with this your toys or any other thing, you must keep this all the things at the perfect place, okay, in one box or somewhere wherever you are keeping these all the things. So be careful at home and follow this all the safety measures at home. Each and everyone likes to play, okay, you like to play indoor outdoor games, okay, and we are playing with our friends. So while playing with your friends outside somewhere in the garden or wherever it is, so you should not nudge or push anyone while playing. As well as do not go for swim alone. Whenever you are going for the swim, you should not go alone. Take someone with you. Second thing, do not play tricks on a swing. Okay, so tricks like standing and any other kind of different activities, you should not do it on swing. Okay, otherwise what will happen? You will fall down and it will be harmful or you will get injured because of these tricks. Because of this tricks on a swing. Do not play in a dark or secluded area, means where no one is going or from long time that the area is closed, okay, or it is dark. So in this kind of areas you should not go for playing. So these are some of the basic things you must follow while playing. And some of the things that you should always remember: wear sunglass or goggles while going out in the sun to protect your eyes. Okay, so whenever you are going out for any kind of work, so wear the sunglass, so your eyes will be protected from sun rays. Okay, so always wear sunglasses or goggles while going out in the sun, okay, to protect your eyes. Next thing, to get your toys, stuffed animals and bedding wash or dry cleaned regularly. Okay, now whatever your toys, stuffed animals, bedding, then all the things should be washed or dry cleaned regularly. Okay, because the germ and the bacteria is there over this, and already we discussed about this, how to keep ourselves clean or our surrounding clean. So for that you should take care of these things also, to clean your toys, stuffed animals as well as beds. Okay, this all should be washed and dry cleaned regularly. Now next thing, very important thing, it should be always there with you at your home or in school or in garden where you are playing. Okay, that is a first aid box, because first aid box contains medicines, bandage and important things required to give immediate help to patient or injured person. Okay, if you are injured or if is there any patient, so we need to give some immediate help, because it takes time to reach to the hospital. Okay, it takes time to take that person to the hospital or wherever it is necessary. So for that, first of all we should do the first aid, and that's why we should have the first aid box along with us. If we have the first aid box, so whatever medicines, bandage or important things which are required to give immediate treatment or help to that patient, that are available in the first aid box. So I hope you understood this all the things, what kind of things we should follow, okay, at our home, while traveling, while playing. Okay, so these all the things you must follow in your day-to-day life, and be safe. Thank you so much.